Welcome to the Future Tech Enthusiasts. The world is changing and Tech Sphere Academy are here to guide you through it. In this amazing digital age, we have a powerful new tool. It's called Perplexity AI. What is Perplexity AI? It's like having a super smart friend who knows almost everything. Imagine a world of information at your fingertips. In this journey of discovery, we will unlock the secrets of Perplexity AI. Get ready for an adventure. Let's dive in and explore this exciting new world together. Imagine a vast library. Now imagine a friendly librarian who can instantly find any book you need. That's Perplexity AI. It's a powerful search engine, but it's much more than that. It uses the magic of artificial intelligence. This allows Perplexity to understand your questions. It doesn't just find websites, it understands what you're really looking for. Perplexity is a powerful tool for learning and exploration. It's like having a super-powered research assistant at your beck and call. Why is Perplexity AI so amazing? Let me tell you. First, it saves you so much time. No more endless clicking through websites. Perplexity gives you the information you need instantly. Second, it helps you learn and understand. It explains complex topics in a simple and fun way. Third, Perplexity is your gateway to the world. It can answer almost any question you can imagine. From the smallest detail to the biggest mystery, Perplexity has got you covered. How does Perplexity work? It's like magic, but smarter. Imagine having a tool that can understand and respond to your questions almost like a human would. Perplexity AI might seem like magic at first glance, but it's actually very clever engineering. A lot of hard work and innovation go into making it so effective. It uses something called machine learning, which is a type of artificial intelligence. This means it learns from all the information it reads on the internet, constantly improving its understanding. When you ask a question, Perplexity doesn't just look for keywords, it goes beyond that. It analyzes the meaning of your words, trying to grasp the context and intent behind your query. This helps it find the most relevant and accurate information, ensuring you get the best possible answer. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a personal assistant who is incredibly knowledgeable. Imagine a detective searching for clues, piecing together information from various sources. Perplexity is like a super detective. It tirelessly works to connect the dots. It connects the dots and solves the mystery of your question, providing you with a clear and concise answer. Perplexity in action, from homework to adventures. How can you use Perplexity in your daily life? It's more versatile than you might think. Let me give you some examples. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or just someone with a curious mind, Perplexity has something for you. Imagine you're a student writing an essay. The pressure is on, and you need reliable information fast. Perplexity can help you find credible sources and information in a flash. No more endless scrolling or sifting through unreliable websites. Perhaps you're planning a trip. The excitement of exploring new places can be overwhelming. Perplexity can give you all the details you need. From flight options to local cuisine, it's got you covered. From the best hotels to the most exciting local attractions, Perplexity ensures your travel plans are seamless and enjoyable. Perplexity is your personal travel guide, making sure you don't miss out on anything. Or maybe you're just curious about the world. There's so much to learn and discover. What are the different types of clouds? Perplexity can explain it all in detail. How do bees make honey? Ask Perplexity. It's like having a knowledgeable friend by your side. It's always ready to answer your questions and spark your curiosity. With Perplexity, learning and exploring have never been easier or more fun. Ready to explore? Jump into the world of Perplexity. This is your gateway to endless possibilities and boundless knowledge. Perplexity AI is a powerful tool for learning, exploring, and simply satisfying our curiosity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone with a thirst for knowledge, Perplexity AI has something for everyone. It's like having the entire world's knowledge at your fingertips. Imagine being able to access information on any topic, anytime, anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Dive into this ocean of information and let your curiosity guide you. Open up Perplexity AI and start your own adventure. Discover new insights, learn new skills, and explore topics you've always been curious about. Ask a question that's been on your mind. Explore a new topic. The possibilities are endless. From science to history, from technology to art, There's no limit to what you can discover. The future is here, and it's powered by the magic of Perplexity AI. Embrace this cutting-edge technology and let it transform the way you learn and explore. Let's embrace this amazing technology and see where it takes us. Together, we can unlock new horizons and make the most of this incredible tool. So what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments and smash that like button and subscribe. Faster than an AI can generate a picture of a cat on a unicorn. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.